We can't do it in the store though.
We have to match stage like that.
I think so.
We have to.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Target. We want all of you to have a great
What?
and safe.
How we make it go back? And this one goes then.
Do you want that one?
Oh, this one was
Yeah?
there. On there, I love it. And on the other. You help me.
Yeah.
It got these off. We're gonna open this. We're gonna show this open. Oh. I gotta make them in here.
You can squish it all in there.
Have it.
All the mud.
Now let's. How about we go back up? How about we go down?
Maybe.
How can I finish? Moving and moving. I gotta move it. You know this can zip in half? What?
Yeah, it's all stretchy, yeah, like mud.
Rest like mud. And I remember on Better Beach, so there's lots of mud.
Is there?
Yeah. And a little bit of mud. And a whole bunch. Each time I think castle, mud castles.
Mud castle. That sounds fun.
Oh, doctor, help me. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, 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 woo. I can't